the 2021 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated and ventilated seats, power moonroof, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you